Hey everyone, welcome back to LearnUp English. I'm Jake.
And I'm Emma. We're so happy you're here with us today.
If you want to speak English naturally, not just study grammar, this episode is for you.
Yes. Today we'll show you how to train your brain to think in English. Not translate, not memorize, but think and speak naturally.
That's right. By the end of this lesson, you'll know how to practice English every day the smart way.
So stay till the end because we'll give you a mini challenge to start training your brain today.
And don't forget, subscribe to LearnUp English and click that bell so you never miss a lesson.
Let's start with a simple question. Do you think in your native language first and then translate into English?
If you said yes, you're not alone. Everyone does this at the beginning. Our brain loves comfort. It wants to use the language it already knows.
Right, but translation is slow. You want your English to come fast automatic. So we need to train your brain to think directly in English.
Exactly. It's like training your muscles at the gym. Small steps every day make your brain stronger in English.
First step, listen a lot. When you hear English, don't try to translate. Just listen and understand the idea.
Let's practice. Listen to this short story. Don't translate. Just imagine it in your head. It's morning. The sun is shining. A man drinks coffee and smiles. He feels ready for the day.
Did you imagine it? That's great. You didn't need translation, your brain understood directly.
Try it again. Close your eyes and listen one more time. It's morning. The sun is shining. A man drinks coffee and smiles. He feels ready for the day.
Nice! The more you do this, the faster your brain learns to think in English.
The second step, use easy English every day.
Don't wait for perfect grammar. Don't wait for big vocabulary. Start speaking with what you know.
For example, instead of thinking, I am going to prepare my breakfast now, you can say, I make breakfast now. Simple. Your goal is communication, not perfection.
Let's try a mini conversation.
Emma, what are you doing?
I'm making coffee. And you?
I'm eating toast. It's yummy.
See? Simple sentences, clear meaning, no translation. This is my favorite part. Start talking to yourself in English in your mind.
Yes. When you wake up, say simple things in English, like this. I open my eyes. I'm still sleepy. I want coffee.
Haha, that's me every morning.
Or when you walk outside, the sky is blue. The air feels nice. I see people walking.
You don't need to speak aloud. Just think in English while you live your normal day.
Little by little, your brain stops using your native language and starts thinking in English first.
Shadowing is a powerful trick. That means you listen and repeat what native speakers say at the same time.
Let's try it together. I'll say a sentence. You listen, then say it with me. I love learning English every day.
Ready? Tree? Toe? It?
I love learning English every day.
Good. Again.
I love learning English every day. You see? When you repeat with rhythm and emotion, your mouth and brain move together. That's how fluency grows.
This step is important. Use feelings when you speak. Don't be flat or robotic. Use your face, voice, and energy.
For example, say this with emotion. I can do it.
I can do it.
Nice. Feel the difference? When you use emotion, your brain remembers faster and learns better.
Make English a part of your world. Change your phone to English. Watch movies with English subtitles. Think of English as your daily environment.
That's right. When you see and hear English every day, your brain starts to believe, this is normal. I live in English.
And that's the secret. The more your brain lives in English, the easier it becomes to think in English.
Let's do a small story together and you'll repeat after us, okay?
Here we go. Anna wakes up early. She opens the window. She says, "Good morning, world." She makes tea and listens to English podcasts. She feels happy and ready to learn.
Now, repeat with us. Anna wakes up early. She opens the window. She says, "Good morning, world."
Nice. And again, with emotion.
She makes tea and listens to English podcasts. She feels happy and ready to learn. Perfect. You're training your brain right now.
Let's review today's lesson, how to train your brain to speak in English.
Step 1. Listen and don't translate. Step 2. Use easy English every day. Step 3. Think in English about your day. Step 4. Shadow native speakers. Step 5. Use emotion when you speak. Step 6. Surround yourself with English.
Repeat these steps daily, and soon English will feel natural in your mind.
Before we finish, quick quiz time. What does shadowing mean?
That's right, listening and speaking at the same time.
Good job! You're learning fast.
You did amazing today. Remember, learning English is not just about grammar, it's about training your brain to think differently.
Exactly. So start today, talk to yourself in English, listen to English every day, and keep smiling while you learn.
Tell us in the comments what's one English sentence you said to yourself today.
And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, because your English journey starts here, with us.
You're doing great. Keep going, English hero.
See you in the next episode of LearnUp English.